Wouldn't you love a way to access your subconscious mind? After all, there's so much good stuff in your subconscious, so many resources, so much ability. If only we could access it, and we can through this technique which is outlined in our book. So if you'd like a quick and easy method, a method that will constantly surprise and delight you as you work through things in your subconscious through storytelling, well, you might find this fascinating. And I'd like to ask you, Helen, what do you find great about this?
I love this process so much because as a coach, it's really important to clear our own stuff, and that way it makes us present to be with our clients. And I know for me, I get really quick results, sometimes as quick as the next day, and it's just opportunities are shown to me in so many different ways. It's really fun to do.
Yeah, I love that fun aspect of it. So yes, looking forward to seeing you in our community soon.